scared for me.
Not excited about having people watch me.
So who won the challenge?
Me.
Hi you, thank you for choosing our video. In today's video, we're going to be reacting to types of sneezes from Jordanian.
Jordanians!
Hi. We're like big family.
I'm Dan, the father.
I am Sunshine, your favorite.
I am Emma, the real favorite.
I'm Erin.
I'm just a knockoff favorite. The off-brand.
The Walmart.
Off-brand.
Did you say
brand.
Walmart?
The Walmart.
Oh,
And then
Walmart.
Walmart.
I think you said Walmart. I was like, I've never heard of that.
Yeah. Yes, off-brand Walmart.
Yeah. So, hey, thank you so much for joining us. This is the Jordanians, and this one they're older videos, so it's a little shorter, but types of sneezes. I'm actually pretty excited to see this.
It's
You guys
pretty relevant.
Yes, and you guys recommended this. So during quarantine, hopefully there's some elbow ones, right? And try not to sneeze on people.
For some reason, as soon as you said that, I imagined it like achoo, because like they were
Elbows.
trying to
elbows
away.
out.
Air
And they were trying,
elbows.
I know, like they were trying to keep everyone away. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know why that came into my head. It just did.
Well, here we go.
If you watch that back, you can see my face like.
Wait a second.
Achoo. Bless you. Thank you.
Sunshine doesn't cover her mouth either.
The religious.
Rama, Krishna, Govinda.
If
I don't want to get one for...
I sneezed twice.
He farted too.
That's not what I thought.
Stuck in time. He's wearing a Real Madrid.
That song's the
Oh no.
American Challenge.
Nope.
No.
This was 3 years ago.
The viral sneeze.
Bless you.
Oh.
I thought a bunch of people were gonna run over and say bless you.
I like it.
Mingle.
Oh my god. The other guy better be dressed up like a lady.
The overreactor.
Oh, this is me.
Oh my.
That is not me.
I liked it.
That is how I act over
Punjabi.
coughs. Or I mean hiccups.
That's pretty funny.
Unfortunate.
Order? Oh yeah, can I have a peri peri chicken burger?
Oh! Look at his hand. I can't even. See, this is why as soon as I sneeze, achoo, and I cover my nose to
Keep
go
it
like that
covered.
way people don't have to do that. 'Cause I don't want they thought
Just because I am Arab, but where the Torah Habib, you think I'm a bomb? Huh? I say Alhamdulillah, you think I'm terrorist?
no, I thought your
This is
sneeze was a
The
terrorist.
media is putting this in your head. Don't you understand? Alhamdulillah. Yeah, you got to be kidding.
Jordan. Well, he's holding up the chair.
Yeah, what is this?
He forgot his part.
This is how it looks without
music. I
that
love
is so
singing
funny.
without the music.
That is so awkward.
Oh
Just
my
going in the
gosh.
streets.
Yes.
People
fine.
walking by are like, are they okay?
Do
Right?
I need to cuss someone?
going on?
Okay. So, what'd you think about that video?
I think my favorite one was probably the last one. Like, that's just, it was so funny. They were like, oh my gosh, that was a gunshot. And he was like, oh, you think I'm a bomb, right? No, they just thought you're sneeze. Like, they were like, oh, I'm so sorry, right? And then he sneezed again, and
And
they
it
caught on
does
the
it
floor
again.
again because it was like loud.
Yeah.
And Who do we know that sneezes loud? I'm thinking of someone right now.
Okay, let's say it together.
1, 2, 3.
Dad.
Dad.
No.
You waited.
I waited because I thought we were gonna say Sunshine. And
I do not sneeze loud.
I don't know. She farts loud, so I kind of put those together.
That is a blow beneath the belt. Blow.
So what was your
Literally because of the butt.
What was your favorite part there, Sunshine?
Whenever it was the overreactor, I thought of whenever I hiccup, because I hiccup all the time, and I overreact. Not on purpose, but like my
That's
hiccups
funny.
are like so loud. They sound like I'm literally dying.
That's
One
so
time
funny.
she
I
like
like it.
had a few she had a few hiccups and she was like what right, and then we were like, oh okay Sunshine, calm down, right, me and Big Man, and she was like just to get on her nerves. We're like, okay, you're faking, and she's like I'm not like, so I was
No,
like,
literally. Okay, so
So she
I
overreacted.
used to drink a lot of water really fast, so then I would get hiccups,
That's pretty funny.
interesting.
and then I would overreact.
Sounds a little suspicious.
So, my favorite one was when he had snot all over his hand.
Oh.
What would you do? Like, you don't want to help him. It's so
No.
nasty.
You
Be
keep
like, I'm
it covered.
See?
Yeah. What do you think, Mom?
You keep it covered.
I have to
You
sneeze
run
like
to the
this.
bathroom and you clean yourself up.
I-
You do not pull your hand
No,
away.
no.
I don't know how, like, shoot, right? Like, if I sneeze, I only sneeze on occasions whenever my nose needs to get, like, juice out, so I sneeze into my hand,
Ew.
right?
Juice?
And then I cover it like this, like I sneeze too. I walk to the tissues, everyone's like, Emma, do you have a bloody nose? Are you okay? I'm like, no, I just sneezed.
Yeah.
Then I take a tissue, I go out in the hallway, and I clean myself up.
Like,
and then
don't
the
look
hands
at
are
me.
good. Yeah, I don't want anybody to see
That's
me in
pretty
that place.
disgusting.
Yeah. My favorite.
Juice? Why'd you use the word juice? Okay, anyways, sorry.
My favorite was the buy one get one free, where he
Yes.
sneezed and then farted at the same time.
Yes. Dad does that.
So funny.
Ew.
So I'm gonna be serious.
Yeah.
In 6th grade, that happened to me in class,
It did?
and
And what
everybody
happened?
laughed.
Did everyone hear it?
And then on top of that, oh yeah. On top of that, the teacher lectured them on you can't hold it in. It's not healthy to hold your fart in. You gotta fart.
You're like, teacher, just drop
Like,
it.
you are making it worse.
Teacher, just drop
I
it.
would leave. I'd be like,
Since then,
peace out.
before
Teacher,
I sneeze,
just drop it.
I
Right.
squeeze my butt and then I sneeze.
Ah!
So that I will not ever accidentally buy one get one free again.
Mom!
Now we know way too much about moms
And Sunshine.
clenching
I guess
of her
it just runs
butt
in the
when
family.
she sneezes. So now if you
TMI,
see her sneeze on camera, you can be like,
Yeah.
oh, she just clenched her butt.
That's
That is a life hack, and you're welcome. Okay.
Life hack. Aaron's
That's
life
not the
hack.
kind of life hacks that I will definitely not be looking
She's trying
for.
to help you girls out. If you go on a date, you better
Yes.
clench that booty.
If I feel embarrassed to sneeze and fart at the same time, then they are not the one.
Okay.
Not on the first
They're not the one,
date.
because if mom tried that on me, trying to unclench and just let it out, I'd be like, scourge! Clench up, girl!
Wait.
Clench up.
See, the right move as a boyfriend or even on a first date would be like, yeah, I do that too. I'm impressed.
No,
yeah, that would be the right
no.
response.
I'd
And
be
I'd be
like,
like,
I've never-
don't say
I'm
embarrassing me.
impressed.
And I'd be like, well,
I'm
thank you for
impressed.
understanding, because
Don't
that
say-
makes it a little less embarrassing.
Don't say I'm impressed.
I mean,
Don't say that. That's disgusting. I'm impressed
Especially-
you got a
I mean, I'm impressed that you're like confident enough to
Oh,
not
hold
be
on.
embarrassed. You
Hold on,
know?
what about this? What about what if it's a buy one, get one free, but it's silent? So now they think your sneeze just stinks. Oh, that would be the worst. They're like, oh my gosh, your sneeze smells so bad.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom for life. I'm gonna get out of here.
I'm gonna go.
They're like, you're taking your purse?
my
Yeah, I'm taking my life. I'm getting out of here.
I'm taking everything.
I'm walking home.
I'm never coming
I'm walking.
back.
Listen, thank you so much for joining us. That was really funny. Thank you,
Yes.
girls.
That was
You're
fun. So
Yes.
now that you've heard what we had to say, we would love to hear from you. There are lots of sneezes that could have been your favorite, and we want to know which one it was. So
What was that?
since YouTube turns off our comments, please find us on Instagram, leave all your thoughts there, and then come back and watch some more videos with us on YouTube. Bye!
Peace out.
Bye.
Oh, Big Man's not here.
Do your daily dad.
No! Playing.